Edda sofa designed by Böttcher&Kayser. Versatile, architectural, super soft and geometrical model. We made it only from 6 elements, 2 footstools and 1 armrest. And from these elements you can build really different combination of Edda. The one you can see in the back of me, there is a combination which is almost 4 meters long. So this is the combination good for very, very big spaces. But for those people who got a little bit less space, they can build a smaller combinations. We have elements 74 centimeters one, 104, 144 wide. And this big element, 144, for example, we made with a very nice big chaiselong, which is big enough for 2 people for sure, or maybe even 2 people and the kid inside. And Edda, additional with soft elements with this family, Moritz and Nicolas designed really nice coffee tables. We have them in 2 sizes. One which is here 31 centimeters wide, which can be easily placed between 2 elements like you see here, or can be used instead of the armrest in the end of combination. And the nice coffee table in front of the sofa, which is 104 centimeters by 104, a square coffee table with 2 tops made of veneer, and this veneer can be chosen with the oak color or the black, and the metal frame which is always painted in the black. The comfort of a Edda sofa, we offer in 2 variants. There is a luxe or standard version. Luxe version with this sofa I have here. Of course it is constructed as we do normally, that on the wood frame there is a piece of foam and chamber on the top with the feathers and silicone balls. But what is new, it's not only in the seat element here, but it is also with the back part here. The chamber with feathers is here, and the same situation we have with the armrest. So in total, it gives really nice comfort and you can feel really cozy. The depth of the element, it is 70 centimeters, so it is quite deep lunch product. And if it is a little bit too deep for some people, you can easily use a small cushion which gives you support in the back and makes your sitting position even nicer there. And as you see, this is a urban chic sofa with a very connected seat cushions with the front panel, which is quite thick. And normally with this kind of products there is a fixed cover version, but with our Edda we have a cover with a Velcro. So it means that you can quite easily take it off, wash it and put a new one again. And now I will ask my colleagues Bartek and Jarek to show you how easy it is to take this cover out of the element. For this presentation we selected Edda element 74, and now Jarek and Bartek will show you how easy it is to take the cover off. We have to put element on the back, open the zippers in the bottom, find there between the construction the Velcro with the fabric and open it. And then open all Velcros around the element, on the sides, on the bottom, on the top. And to take the cover off is easier when you take the cover from the corners like this. Put the element on the legs, and now it's easy to take the whole cover out of element. So it takes for 2 persons not even 30 seconds. But for 1 person, maybe 1-2 minutes, and it is done. And here you see the construction, which I told you before about the luxe comfort. There are the chambers of feathers and silicone on the seat and on the back. And now again, we put the cover on the element. So to do that, firstly, we have to find this small piece of fabric, which is sewed between the seat and back with the Velcro, and push it between the seat and back element. We have to push it deeply and then put the cover on the back part, on the seat part. Take care about all the corners, because then better we do it now, then better effect will be later also. So we have to correct it. Wszystkie narożniki. And again, we have to put it on the back and close the velcros from the bottom. And we start again in the middle. Close the zippers. And we close the velcros all around the element from the bottom. And actually, this is done when we do it. And we have it, again, upholstered. And now we will show you how to take the cover out, or what to do to take the cover out from the element when it is connected with the armrest. And we have here the element 74 with the armrest, and Bartek and Jarek show you what we have to do, because there is one connector connections which has to be taken off. This is the small flat connector which you have to unscrew from the elements. There are 4 screws to each connector, and it has to be taken out. Yep. And same we do with the bottom one. And when it is done, you can easily disconnect the elements and you can take the cover out then. Edda modules are freestanding elements, and we showed you before how to connect armrest and seat element. We used for that the small flat metal connections. But to connect element with the seat element with seat element, we are using crocodile's connections. And Bartek and Jarek shows now how easy it is to disconnect seat elements. When the elements are disconnected, you can see that really the fabric is all around the elements. So when you close the crocodiles like this, you can use it as an element freestanding. You don't need to have anything which covers the side of the element. And this is the good moment also to show you the very nice detail of the cover, which is also very characteristic for Edda. This is the sewing, which is on each corner in the Edda family, on corners in the seat elements and on corners with the back elements and armrests as well. And connect again the elements. You just move the element, and this characteristic noise, it's a confirmation that elements are connected again. Modularity of Edda gives us a possibility to create different variations of combinations. We can have a different set combinations like you've seen before, or just use 2 elements 114 centimeters wide to armrest and build a nice sofa like we have here, 294 centimeters wide. And this sofa is made in a standard comfort, a little bit different constructed than the luxe one, because here we have only the nice high resilient foam in the seat and in the back, and the polyether pads on the tops, which gives really nice and soft comfort when you touch it. It gives also a rich feeling. So Edda in total offers us a lot of space and a lot of comfort. So I believe this sofa is perfect for many people who love this loft feeling and really like the nice comfort and soft furnitures.